I also welcome every of my brothers and sisters. The Christian religious faith that happens to come here today to fellowship with us, you are all welcome. May God in His infinite mercy bless you and grant all your heart desires now and forevermore.
So let it be, O God.
Most of you who today is their first day of being here, this commission is known as African traditional religion, Godianism, whose supreme moral philosophy is conscientism. Conscientism means that which I think of you, let it happen to me. Ona akora ti yo bloge metra no wa na ona ya nisi to lu chineke anyị mmadụ apụghị gbaghara gị ya naanị chineke ya mere ndị God religion eze nsọ anyị na-asọ nsọ anyị na-asọ mmehie nsọ because we know the consequences of every action you do. Verse 7. Listen, most of you that read the Bible, I was once a Bible scholar before I find my roots. Book of Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 says, do not be deceived that God is not mocked. Whatever a man sows, that he shall do what? The soul that she shall do what? So God religion don't believe in human purification or human sacrifice. That is why I was telling somebody today. In the Christian Bible, when the so-called Jehovah, the local of Israel, directed Abraham to go and sacrifice his only son. What happened? Did he sacrifice his son? No. Did he sacrifice his son? No. On getting to the spot to sacrifice the boy, a voice came. Don't slaughter that. I believe we should be Aja. I'm not a child, but I'm a negine. And I'm going to go I not trust. I will never get so good. I'm not a simple lawyer. I'm not a chicken. Never get so good. Again, I'm going to do pro hand. Or the regular number. I am talking to you to a lawyer. Oh, you never know why we move to you. Medical side like a more available people, but you can take a stranger in this light. So that is why our beloved brother, the savior of African culture, Nnamdi Kanu has been telling us we should go back to our roots. Also, you people should go back to your what? Roots. Because every man's happiness starts from his foundation. Whatever thing you do today starts from your foundation. That's why the Englishman says that charity begins at what? Charity begins at what?